Return to Work is a program that is designed to get an injured worker back on the job as soon as possible. It's great for several reasons. First, it helps the culture of the company. A company that has a culture that truly values its employees and wants to get them back to work as quickly as possible is a desirable company to work for. If you have a return to work program, your people will value that. Second, it helps you with your experience mod on workers' comp. Claims in the state of Florida that are $17,000 or less and are medical only with no lost time are reduced by 70% in value when they're put into the calculation for the experience modification factor. To clarify, if you have a claim that's $10,000 and none of that is paid out in lost time, it's all medical bills, that claim is reported to NCCI at $3,000 for mod calculation purposes. This is a huge benefit to an employer to have this return to work program in place so that you're getting the discount on indemnity claims, or non-indemnity claims rather, when they go into the mod. The third thing that's a huge benefit is you can fill a position you might have a hard time filling otherwise. I know a lot of our clients have call centers and they have a very difficult time getting people to take a job in there. Well, what better place to stick somebody who's released for light duty than in a call center? It helps our clients fill a job that needs to be filled. It reduces the value of the claim when it gets reported to NCCI if it's kept at medical only. And most importantly, it helps the culture of the company. All three things coming together in perfect symphony. If you would like to learn more about how you can implement a return to work program in your organization, click the button at the bottom of this post and we are going to give you the opportunity to request a free return to work guide. No strings attached, we're happy to help. We were such big believers in return to work that we want every company out there to implement it. Now, of course, if you have questions or you need assistance, we're happy to be on standby to help you. But this is truly a free resource that we hope you'll take advantage of.